All right, just a little quick video. So if you have a, I think it's 2016 to 2020, maybe longer, but this little front part is known for popping out and it won't sit right. So what I've come up with is I found you take and drill the hole out. So it was square before. I drill a hole out, drill it all the way through, then you push it in. And what you're gonna do is you feed, let's see if we can get this on video, sorry. That's it, that's, okay. You feed the zip tie in through there. I'll take a shot of it once I get done here in a second, but yeah. And then it brings it in tight, so I'll show you in a minute. All right, so I have the zip ties through the front now, and in through the hole. Let's see, can I get that one on? There it is. So you can see it just goes in around the black part, and then I bring it back up. Let's see if we can see this one good or not. Sorry. Here it is. That one's tightened. So I have one here, 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 and here. These end ones are the hardest ones to get. There's not a lot of room in this corner for your finger to get in there and work it, but yeah. And then this one's tight, that one's tight, this one's tight. So with those two tight and that one tight already, I could trim them already if I wanted to, or I can wait. I'm just waiting. I'm gonna do them all. And really, you could probably tuck them in there and not even have to worry about trimming. Nobody's gonna see it, but I'm gonna trim them off a little bit. So, but you can see how much now this edge, even without these tight yet, it's already where it should be. So that edge is even all the way across. So I've looked on the internet to try to find a way to fix this, and the biggest thing I kept saying was to replace this, and I guess that's what Honda tells you too, but everybody tell you to just wear it out again. So I found this worked really good. So yep, hope that helps you. Hit like, subscribe, all that other stuff. It helps something or another. I don't know. Thanks. Hope it helped you.